In this video, I'll guide you on using trading bots on Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, you can scroll down to the video description, click the link and register an account to get a 20% discount on trading fees. After you have an account, go to this menu section and you'll find the trading bot here, or if you can't see trading bot, you can click here to find more services. Then you'll search in the search bar for the word bot and you'll see the trading bot section. Click on it and you'll see an interface like this. There are many bots here like spot or futures. You can choose either spot or futures. You can filter here like top copy or popular. You can choose any bot that you want to copy. For example, if I want to copy this bot, I click on copy here. This bot is being copied by 36 people. Here are the profit lines. This bot predicts an increase when Bitcoin touches the green line at the bottom, it will push up, then we'll open an order, and after it's done, if it goes up to the red level, it'll automatically sell. There are many bots you can try copying this. You need at least $458. You need to prepare $458. If you increase leverage, it will be half of that with lower capital. About $191. Lower leverage means more capital, while higher leverage means higher risk but lower capital, just $143. As you increase leverage, the capital will decrease, but the risk will be higher. On this trend, ETH is at the top with 2869 already running, and here there's also a filter. You can click on it to filter the bosses you want, for example, like the running time. For example, over 30 days, 7 days, 5 to 10, and don't forget to click the link in the video description to register for a Binance account. You'll get a 20% discount on transaction fees. If you have questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below and I will answer you.